pretty.
Oh, pretty. A glass. You need those, shouldn't you? Look, right to the sippy cups.
Oh, God. That is hilarious.
What about your jammies?
Those are adorable.
Those are cute.
Look at, she does all she wants is the tippy cups.
I know.
Brand new tippy cups. Yay. Yay. Tippy cups.
Can we open that one? Can we open another one? Can I have this? Open this one.
Who's it from?
Brooke and John.
And Brooke and John.
Yay! Huh? Oh.
Good girl.
Huh? Yay! Rip it!
Gosh, she is adorable. Yay!
Ready? Hold on.
Oh.
Look, blocks. Oreo. Gloves.
What does she go for? Let's see. Oh, that's cute.
Bubbles. Holla. Do we have those magnetic blocks? We have some that are magnetic too. Also.
Oh, wow. Look. First words.
Princess crowns. Princess crowns. Princess
Oh,
Potty.
Oh, my God. And there's a crown. Oh, my gosh. Amber, there's a crown.
Use the tiara.